Everyone, in previous class we have studied about the alcohols, its preparations. In today's class we will do the reactions involving this alcoholic group. So there are basically two reactions which we will do in this class. First is when this OH bond breaks, and the second is when this OH, this bond will break. In first, only H will be replaced by some other metal or the reaction we will do. And in this second, this whole OH group will be replaced by any reagent which will be added. Now the first, let us take the first reaction, which is reaction of this alcohol, and bond breaking takes place from this O and H. First reaction is with metals. What are metals? For example, we can take any metal like sodium, potassium, aluminium, etc. Now if we react this alcohol with any metal, we will get metal alkoxide, that is RO metal, and hydrogen will get evolved, right? Now in place of this metal we can take sodium, and in place of R we can take ethanol, and we will get sodium ethoxide, which is C2H5O Na, and again sodium will get replaced, right? Now the mechanism of this reaction. Now if we take water, what is this water? HOH. Now we take water, it will get dissociated into H plus ions and OH minus ions. Now if we take alcohol, which is ROH, it will get dissociated into H positive and RO negative. Now this RO negative is less stable and this is more stable. Why? Because this R has plus I effect, means electron donating effect. Now if it will give electrons to oxygen atom, then the bond between these two becomes strong, and it will be very difficult to replace this hydrogen with any of these metal. So the form of alkoxide, means RO negative, is less stable as compared to OH negative. Now we will take plus I effect. Plus I effect is always inversely proportional to the acidic character of alcohol. Acidic character of alcohol. Now plus I effect means electron giving effect. If we take our primary alcohol, means one R group is present. Now the plus I effect over here is by this R group. If we take secondary alcohol, means 1H is replaced by R group. This is secondary alcohol. If we take tertiary alcohol, again this H is replaced by another R group. Now there are 3 electron releasing group, 3 methyl group which have plus I effect. Now the acidic character means, what is the acidic character? Acidic character means loss of hydrogen. Now the acidic character of this tertiary will be the least. First will be of primary, secondary will be of tertiary, and least will be of tertiary. So if there are 3 R group present, means 3 methyl group is present, means 3 plus I effect is present over here. Now the release of H will become very difficult, and the reactivity for the same will become very difficult. So it's not very easy for the alcohols to replace this H ions. Now we take the second reaction with the Grignard reagent, which is RMgX. Now if we take any alcohol, for example ROH, which is an alcohol, and react this with RMgX, which is a Grignard reagent, we will get alkane, and the side product which we will get will be this. Now we get over here is alkane. If we replace this R with any R group, for example if we take ethyl alcohol and Grignard reagent, we will get methane, and the side product will be the same. Now the third reaction with CrCOOH. What is this? This is a acid. Now this reaction is also known as esterification reaction, which you have already studied in class 10. What is this esterification reaction? In this What is this esterification reaction? Esterification reaction means when alcohol react with acid in presence of H plus ion, it will give esters, which is R dash O C double bond OR. Now what's the mechanism of the same? If we take acid, the reactant are acid. Now this double bond, electron rich species, it will give electron to the oxygen atom, and this carbon will become electron deficient, so the positive charge will come over there. Now this acid react with alcohol. Now it is electron rich species, ऑक्सीजन के पास 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, कार्बन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, तो ये ऑक्सीजन कहाँ पे जाके अटैक करेगा? कार्बन के पास। तो हमारे पास क्या रिएक्शन आएगी? ऑक्सीजन, और ये अब इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट बन गया। क्यों? क्योंकि इसने अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन किसको दे दिए? कार्बन को दे दिए, राइट। अब क्योंकि ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट स्पीशीज है, तो ये वाला जो OH बॉन्ड है अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करेगा? इसको देगा, ठीक है, और ये क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास? एस्टर्स। तो नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन विच इज अगेन इन इक्विलिब्रियम, RCOH O R डैश एंड OH। अब इसने क्या किया है? अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको दे दिए हैं, जिस वजह से इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी कम हो गई है, राइट। अब ये वाला जो बॉन्ड है अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसको दे देगा, डबल बॉन्ड आ जाएगा। अब कार्बन के पास 5 बॉन्ड्स तो हो नहीं सकते, 1 2 3 4 5, तो ये क्या करेगा? ये अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इसको देगा, तो हमारे पास वाटर मॉलिक्यूल H इसका OH इसका बाहर जाएगा, और यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा? एस्टर्स। मीन्स we will get R C double bond O O R dash and water will be replaced, right? Now you know the derivative of acids are acid chloride. What is acid chloride? RCOCl, and the next derivative is acid anhydride. These are the derivative of acid, which is RCO whole twice and oxygen, right? This is the expand form of acid anhydride. Now the similar reaction, the reaction of alcohol and acid. In case of acid, you can use acid chloride. Instead of OH, you can use Cl, or acid anhydride, and the same product you will get, which is esters, right? And the same mechanism will go with the same. Thank you.